Yo, good day mga kaponkan. The Orange Guy speaking at today, balik office na tayo. It's January 2. So, balikan na tayo sa office. But grabe, kamusta naman guys? How you celebrate your Christmas and also New Year? Nag-reflect ba kayo sa 2025 ninyo? Nagpa-plan na ba kayo sa 2026? Because we did. No, yesterday, January 1, marami kaming plan na ginawa ng wife ko. So, sa 2025 na, just want to share this to you, no? Kasi kung hindi nyo pa nagawa, well, this is the right time, no? Kasi napapauso ngayon, it's a new year, New Year's resolution, may mga gagawin tayo na mga goals and achievement, you know. Pero may mistake lang doon kasi yung iba, doon lang sila gumagawa ng goal kasi bagong taon, bagong goals, no, magpapayat, napupuno yung gym ngayon din, di ba? For me kasi guys, you can do it anytime, no? Kahit, yun nga, December 20, gagawin mo yan or any time of the day, no? But you need to do it hard, you need to do it consistent, no? Even you are tired, you are broke, you are a failure, or anything na nafe-feel mo ngayon, personally or outside, you still need to do it, no? Ganyan dapat yung meaning ng New Year's resolution.
Want to quit your 9 to 5? Join the School of Profits. We teach Filipinos step by step how to make real money online.
Mag-goals po tayo, magpa-plan po tayo. So, ayun, kahapon, no, it took us like 5 hours more. Nag-usap kami ng wife ko, no, reflection sa 2025, ano ba yung nangyayari sa amin when it comes to business, personality, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, mga failures, no, mga opportunities, yun, ni-discuss namin lahat. Doon namin nakita kasi may mga hindi naman successful na opportunities sa atin, no. So doon namin ni-recognize namin lahat yun. May mga investment din kaming hindi necessary pero na-invest namin. So ayun, nakita namin lahat ng loopholes doon sa 2025. Pero ginawa din namin sa 2026 to reflect that we also do internal reflection and planning as well. So para hindi na mangyayari yung 2025 na mistakes or failures, di ba? So we plan ahead our January until December, guys, for 2026. And you can also do the same. So kung ano mang ginagawa ninyo ngayon or wala pa kayong plan sa 2026, this is the right time that you will do it kasi for me, this is very important for you to have a goal sa business mo. It's either student ka ngayon or may business ka or you want to jump in sa online marketing or whatever. If you are creating a goal, dapat meron kang set of schedule. For example, kailan mo to dapat ma-achieve? Let's say, I want to have a car for 2026, lagyan mo ng date. Very, very specific. Anong car yan? Anong kulay ng car yan? Magkano yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Be realistic and be specific when you have a goal. Like for example, gusto kong magkaroon ng 10 million in my bank account. Now, napaka-broad kasi yon, di ba? You also need to add, papaano mo siya gagawin? And you can also, let's say, long goal yan, di ba? 1 year. So, pwede mo siyang maglagay ka doon ng step by step. Paano mo siya gagawin? Ano yung mga gagawin mo to achieve that goal? From short-term goal to long-term goal. Ganun mo siya dapat ma-achieve. Hindi pwedeng diretso na, okay, magkaroon ako 10 million in bank account. Well, wala nga kayong steps na ginawa to achieve that, di ba? So, unrealistic po siya. Napakahirap po mangyari nun. No? So, yan yung mga plans na ginagawa namin. May mga businesses din kami, plano, yung 2025 na gagawin ngayon. Pero we think na, oops, hindi necessary gagawin natin yan ngayon. Kasi guys, yung ginagawa namin, we lock in. Ibig sabihin, kung ano lang talaga yung ginagawa namin, na planuhan namin kahapon, yun lang talaga. It's either merong new opportunities pero wala yan sa plan namin, di namin yan gagawin. It's either meron kaming gagastusin, let's say next month may gagastusin kami ng ganyan pero wala siya sa plano, hindi namin siya gagastusin. We will only focus kung ano lang talaga yung nasa plan namin. Let's say for example, meron kaming bagong brand ngayon. Ayan o. This is a Tasty Shred. So, hindi to bago kasi I built this website since 2016 pa, 2017 nabili ko siya until now. So, pinurso lang namin yung vision na yon ngayon. So, kung ano yung mga kasama dito sa brand na to, yun lang yung gagawin namin. So, let's say, may gagawin pa kaming ibang brand na hindi related sa fitness. Well, hindi namin siya gagawin kasi hindi siya kasama sa goals or plans namin, no? So, yun guys, grabe. I'm very excited. And another thing din, may isi-share ako sa inyo. You can go here if you want to start. So go here to school.com, School of Profits. This is our community where you can learn on how to make money online. It's either sa freelancing, sa agency, or you want to master SEO. this is the community for you guys, no? Lalo na ngayon, January, gusto mong magkaroon ng new skills na focusan, I bet this is the right skill for you. So, meron tayong mga paid training din dito, but karamihan is free. If you want to learn how to build agency or SEO, then you can click this one, but hindi mo pa siya ma-access kasi this is a paid one, no? So, may link dyan kung saan ka pwedeng magpunta, but you can go here to schoolofprofits.ph. And this is our link, guys. Puntahan nyo lang yan. Now, meron din akong freebies po sa inyo. Aside sa community na freebies, meron din kasi dito downloadables, no? So, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng money sa affiliate marketing, ito yung training for affiliate marketing. Ayan, puntahan mo lang dito. White label licensing program, and complete siya, no? Meron din tayong mga episodes dito na napakarami that you can learn, no? Ayan, mga episodes. Panoorin nyo yan. And by the way, guys, another freebie for you. Gusto kong magbigay sa inyo ng growth goal worksheet natin. Libre po sa lahat ng mag-join dito sa community kasi ipipin ko dito, guys, Ipipin ko dito sa community nito yung gift ko sa inyong lahat. So, growth goal worksheet, like your 12-month vision. Ano ba yung vision na yan? So, if goal mo magkaroon ng revenue ng 10 million, you need to be very specific. You need to add per month. Magkano yung pwede mong kitain in a month? Kasi monthly recurring revenue yan. So, lagay mo dito. You need to fill up this, guys, kasi yun yung check mo. How many clients do you want to achieve that goal per month? So, compute mo yan, no? How much do you want to personally take home each month? So, guys, just follow this. Your 90 days plan. So, same thing to what I've mentioned. Hindi mo pwedeng ma-achieve yung 12 months goal kung diretso ka sa 12 months. So, meron siyang set of short goals dito, no? Yan yung mga short-term goals natin. Action plan, ano ba yung pwede mong gawin? So, this is a downloadable for you guys, no? I want you to visit this one. I-share ko dito sa community na to. So, just join na lang there. So, another thing na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Kasi, di ba, 2026 na ngayon. So, the company, every year, nag-grow talaga siya ng rate sa client namin. So, for example, another thing na i-share ko sa inyo. So, ngayon is 2026 na, di ba? Karamihan sa mga website, merong footer yan sa ibaba, di ba? Tinatawag siyang footer. So, copyright at your website, tapos 2025. Ibahin nyo na yan, guys, no? Yan yung first nyong gagawin, ibabago nyo. So, sa lahat na may website, kung 2025 pa, change nyo to 2026, no? Okay? Second is yung rate po ninyo. So, for example, you are an agency or SEO agency or whatever agency, or are you a freelancer? So, yung ginagawa namin, guys, every year nag-i-increase po kami ng 20% yung rate po namin. So, for example, ngayon, no? So, if you are going to rate your service from $800 to $1,000, ibig sabihin, nag-increase po kayo ng 20%. Okay? So, always increase the rate 20% every year. Kasi guys, tumataas yung mga bayarin, the salary, the incentives, lalo na nagde-December pa, 'di ba? Mga bonus, mga extras, mga 13-month pays and everything. Tapos mga babayarin pa sa kuryente, electricity, internet and everything, no? May mga maintenance pa 'yan. So, you need to increase your rate. It's either you're a freelancer or agency owner. So, yan, hope this video helps you guys, and I'm very excited sa future mo dito sa digital marketing. And by the way, abangan nyo yung brand namin, Tasty Shred. It's a nutrition company. No, meron din tayong mga merch. But this is not our merch, ha. Tines ko lang yung logo. Nilagay ko lang siya dito sa cup for me to see kung ano yung hitsura ng logo. But hindi pa to yung final na merch natin. Ginagawa pa lang. Abangan nyo yung launching. I'll see you sa next videos. Happy New Year, everyone.